It feels so weird saying this, but guess who's back?
Was moving like
So before we get into this video, how are you all doing? I would love to know how are you doing in the comments down below because it's been a while. It's been a hot minute since I came on YouTube and actually talked to the camera because I might stumble a little, but thoda chala lena kaam. So let's pick up where I left off. I left off at the Hot Girl Reboot Challenge, and the last video I made was about my fitness journey, making food, and just talking about my journey in general. जब मैंने last video डाली थी, that was also a time when I felt very like on the verge of a burnout. If you've never experienced a burnout, which is you're lucky. Burnout is when you feel like leaving everything, you feel exhausted to your soul and you do not feel like doing anything because most probably you are overworking yourself, constantly doing more than your capacity without giving yourself the break that you deserve. In the past, I think I have not recorded since the past 2 months. In those 2 months, I was also working a part-time job that I just left. Today is actually the first day of the week that I'm not doing that job, and I feel good. I feel like I'm finally putting my time in something that I love. But talking about that burnout, I felt really frustrated also because I constantly was putting in YouTube videos. It was not like I was not consistent. मैं थी consistent way more than I have been in the past years. But I felt like कि maybe I'm putting my energy in the wrong place because I used to see people on Instagram थोड़े दिन post करेंगे and they would kind of blow up. And I was like, why am I not reaching more people? One of the sole reasons that I also make content is so that I'm able to reach more girls who are like me, who are also struggling like I did, and I want to help them. So why is my content not reaching so many people that it should? So that was something that really frustrated me. Also, my job, I was not happy with it, but I had to because I needed some money, and yeah, that was also one reason. It's not like I'm not working right now. I am still working. I am working as a freelancer in 2 fields. I am a NASM certified personal trainer. I hope you know about that because I've already posted a video about it. I'm also a freelance video editor. So I'm still working, but I'm mostly working as a freelancer. And now I am really excited to put more videos out there on YouTube. So हाँ, ये प्लान है. अब मुझे अपडेट देना है हॉट गर्ल रिबूट चैलेंज के बारे में. ऑल्सो आई रियलाइज दैट आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू स्पीक मोर इन हिंदी क्योंकि हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है. बट ऑल्सो इन जनरल मैं ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में नहीं बात करती. आई टॉक अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी. थोड़ा अनोइंग हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए, बट मैं ऐसी बात करती हूँ, हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स. एंड जो मैंने ब्रेक लिया उसमें मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि मैं कुछ ज़्यादा इंग्लिश बोल रही थी अपनी वीडियोज़ में. इतना तो मैं रियल लाइफ में नहीं बोलती. सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वन रीज़न दैट मेरे को और हिंदी में कन्वर्स करना है अपने चैनल पे, सो दैट वो जो कनेक्शन है वो genuine हो. Okay, getting to Hot Girl Reboot update. Hot Girl Reboot Challenge just finished a week back, and honestly बोलूँ तो in the last month of it, I was still working out and everything, but so many things happened in the month of August that unintentionally everything took a backseat. अगर मैं अभी बताने बैठूँ क्या क्या हुआ अगस्त में, it's gonna be a huge list. If you live in Delhi, you already know everything that's happening. There are floods in the country. There are the dog situation that happened that really affected a lot of us, a lot of dog lovers. If you're not a dog lover, please unsubscribe to my channel. Yeah. I was constantly going to protest, and I was trying to be there as much as I possibly could. I also came on a news channel which I will not discuss because मैंने काफ़ी कुछ बोला था उसमें. So yeah, that happened. And August has honestly been like a whirlwind of emotions, like a lot of emotions, a lot of roller coasters. And another thing happened which I'll discuss about later, but August काफ़ी भारी था mentally. Now I'm going to give you an update of every single goal that I had for the Hot Girl Reboot Challenge. Are you prepared? Are you ready? Okay, starting with my first goal, my weight loss goal. So when I started this challenge of Hot Girl Reboot, I was at 80.6 kgs if I remember, and my goal was to lose 10 kg in the next 6 months. 10 तो नहीं lose किया मैंने, let me be clear, but I am at 72.6 kgs the last time I weighed myself, and that was on 4th September. So that equals to 8 kgs that I've lost in the past 6 months. Mano ya na mano, I'm happy about it. I'm really happy because sometimes I also wonder what if I never set that goal for me. What if I got too comfortable in being 80 and जितना मैंने lose किया है that is 8 kg, maybe I wouldn't have even lost that amount of weight. So I'm really happy, but अभी challenge ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी year ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है, and उसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा end में बताऊँगी. So the next goal was to read 4 books in the past 6 months. I read The Practice by Seth Godin. I read How to Steal Like an Artist. I read The Dip by Seth Godin. And right now I am reading Hey God, It's Margaret by Judy Blume. But also it's like a very comforting book, and I'm halfway done with the book, not completely done. So I think my goal was 90% completed in this aspect. I'm pretty happy about it because again मैं यही सोचती हूँ कि अगर मैंने गोल रखा ही नहीं होता तो मे बी मैं subconsciously सोच नहीं रही होती that I need to read a book. The sole reason to read a book was to disconnect from my phone, especially before bed, actually get back into this habit of reading books. So yeah, I think ये goal थोड़ा 90 or maybe 80% it has been fulfilled and I'm happy about it. Moving on to the next goal. Okay, so ये ऐसा goal है जिससे I have been struggling since a lot of years. I had been and a part of me still is, but not so much. That is to become a morning person. I'll be very very honest. 6 months में से 5 months I was not focused on becoming a morning person. But in the past 1 month, that is the month of August, मतलब situations ऐसी आ रही थी where I had to wake up early. Where I had to be up by 5 or 6 or maximum 7. So मेरे लिए वो morning person ही है. Luckily मेरी body clock थोड़ी बहुत हो गई है used to being a morning person, and I'm really glad about it क्योंकि the person that I want to become is a morning person. I have been a night owl all my life. I feel like मेरे creative juices ही रात को flow होते हैं, but there are a lot of benefits of waking up early. मतलब in general नहीं बोल रही, but that I have also noticed in myself of waking up early is, first thing first, I feel very motivated. I feel like I have the entire day to push through, and that also affects my mental health a lot कि when I wake up late I used to feel like I wasted the entire day. एंड थोड़ा बहुत ना वो फेलियर वाली फील आती थी कि पूरा दिन तो निकल गया, मैंने पूरे दिन में कुछ किया नहीं. इट बिकेम लाइक अ साइकिल ऑफ सेल्फ डिस्ट्रक्शन व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप लेट. And since the past 1 month, I have been trying to wake up on time, that is 5 or 6 or 7, and I feel much better. I will be sharing more about my morning routine in the future video. Yeah. Now, talking about my last goal, financial independence. Now that I've already discussed about leaving my part-time job, today is literally the first day जब मैं अपनी पार्ट टाइम जॉब नहीं कर रही हूँ, एंड उसमें कोई ग्रोथ नहीं थी. ऑनेस्टली आई वॉज नॉट ग्रोइंग इन दैट जॉब. देयर वॉज नो ग्रोथ पोटेंशियल, सो आई टुक द बिग गर्ल स्टेप एंड क्विट इट. But I am a personal trainer and I'm really passionate about it, and also a freelance video editor, so I'm not financially independent 100%, of course, and I don't even consider myself 50% financially independent. I think this is something that also requires patience, a lot of patience actually. As long as I'm working towards that direction, I am okay. I'm not great, but I am okay because I am working towards that direction. So yeah, I am constantly working towards that direction, and even though I'm not at the goal, I think I have taken steps to reach that goal, which is okay. Yeah, थोड़ा ग्रेस तो देना बनता है अपने आप को, थोड़ा tiny bit. Yeah, but I won't lie, being financially independent is power. Frankly, people don't see the effort, people see the results, and a lot of time that result is expressed monetarily, and a lot of times that effort and that result is weighed monetarily, and अगर आप नहीं पैसे कमा रहे हो, people don't respect you. Not even people respect, it's like you don't respect yourself enough. So anyways, that was some free ka gyan. Now talking about what my plans are for this coming few months, जो भी 2025 बचा है, what do I plan on doing? I feel like जो मैंने थोड़ा break लिया है, I recharged myself, I filled my own cup, and now I am ready to post more on YouTube. I don't want to jinx it, but I will be posting consistently on my channel every Monday and Friday. पहले every Sunday I used to post on YouTube, but now voila. So stay ready, stay tuned, and this is not the end of the challenge. So जो भी year बचा है, I think it's time to go full throttle on my goals, and yeah, that is it for today's video. I am really happy and excited to be back on YouTube. I know you must be disappointed कि मैं कहाँ गायब हो गई थी, but I think I really needed to take a step back to protect my mental health and to fill my own cup before I put myself out there. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I will see you in the next one.